In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to convert a TS file into an MP4 using VLC Media Player. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to handle this conversion, but also why these settings matter, so you'll feel confident doing it again in the future and ensuring top video compatibility. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to open up VLC Media Player. If you don't have VLC installed yet, I highly recommend grabbing it. It's free, cross-platform, and honestly one of the most versatile media players out there. Once it's open, you're ready to start. Look up at the very top of the window for a menu called Media. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see an option labeled Convert, Save. This is your gateway for all kinds of file transformations in VLC. Select that option. Now, you should see the Open Media window popping up. This is where you point VLC to the TS file you want to convert. TS files are often used for broadcast applications or when you record videos from certain devices, but they're not as widely supported as MP4 for most platforms and devices, which is why conversions like this are so handy. Click the Add button inside this window. You'll get a familiar file browser. Then hunt down your TS file, select it, and click Convert or Save at the bottom. If you've got more than one TS file to convert, you could add them all here, but for now, let's keep it simple with just one. This brings you into the Convert window. Take a breath here, don't rush. VLC gives you options, but I'll guide you through the ones that make the most sense for turning a TS into a standard MP4. First, make sure the Convert Radio button in the Settings dropdown is selected. It sounds obvious, but there's also a Stream option. And if you hit the wrong one, you might end up just streaming your video somewhere instead of converting it. Next, turn your attention to the Profile section. You'll see a list of different format profiles here, and it can look a little overwhelming. But for most uses, video, H.264 plus MP3, MP4, is exactly what you want. H.264 is a popular video codec that strikes a great balance between quality and file size, and MP3 handles the audio part. This combo outputs the highly compatible MP4 format. Select it from the dropdown. If you ever need something else like a format designed for a specific device, you can revisit the profiles. But for now, stick with MP4. We're nearly there. Now, click the Browse button next to the Destination File field. This is really important. Here's where you pick where your new video will go and what it will be called. I see this trip people up sometimes. So a tip, be sure to type out your file name and end it with MP4. Even if you call it My Converted Video, make sure you add that MP4 extension. Sometimes, if you leave it off, your computer won't recognize the file as a video later, and you might scratch your head wondering where it went. Once you've got your destination and file name set, take a moment to double-check everything. Ready? Just hit Start. VLC will begin the conversion process. Depending on your file's size, this could only take a few moments or it might need a few minutes. Don't worry if the player looks unresponsive or you see the progress bar quietly moving. That's normal, and just like that, you've converted your TS file into a universally playable MP4. Your new video should be right where you saved it, ready for sharing, editing, or uploading wherever you need. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Got questions or ran into a snag? Drop a comment below. I read them all and try to help out whenever I can. And if you want more clear, no-nonsense tutorials like this one, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.